Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm a product manager for Windows Live. The new Messenger is the best release ever. We've designed it to make it even easier and more personal to chat with your friends. We focused on making it dead simple to keep in touch with the people that matter most. Let's take a look. The new Messenger starts with a beautiful at-a-glance view of your friends. From here, you can check out their updates and start conversations with one click. We also know that Messenger users have more than one conversation going at once. So we're excited to introduce Tabbed Chat. Now you can manage all of your conversations in one place. And that includes Windows. The new Messenger is designed to take full advantage of the power of Windows. So now you can access your favorite people from anywhere on the taskbar. In the new Messenger, we've made it easy and fun to chat with your friends in high-def video. And also, people are sharing more photos online than ever before. So we've made that a core part of chat too. Now you can drag and drop your photos right into a conversation. And when you're chatting, sometimes you want to look something up. That's why we've integrated the power of Bing to make finding information in your conversations easier than ever. And when you want to go beyond IM, we've made it easy to share anything you want with your friends. You can share status, links, and photos right from Messenger onto the web. With the new Messenger, you can keep in touch with the people that matter most, all from one place.